Imagine a world where health doesn't just come in a pill but in a plate of vibrant, crunchy, and delicious vegetables. That world exists, and it's in the heart of a salad bowl. Salads are a powerhouse of nutrients, delivering the essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and phytochemicals your body craves. Think of the rich, dark, leafy greens like spinach and kale, brimming with vitamin K, A, and C. The colorful bell peppers adding a burst of vitamin C and A. The juicy tomatoes packed with the antioxidant lycopene. All these elements work together like a symphony, protecting the body from harmful free radicals and boosting the immune system. But the benefits of salads go beyond just providing nutrients. They play a pivotal role in weight management. Low in calories yet high in fiber, salads offer a feeling of fullness without the extra calorie load. A bowl of salad before a meal can act as a portion controller, making you less likely to overindulge in high-calorie foods. Salads are not just food, they're your hydration partners too. Many salad ingredients like lettuce, cucumber, and tomatoes are water-rich. Consuming these not only appeases your taste buds, but also contributes to your daily fluid intake, keeping your body hydrated and your skin glowing. Let's not forget about digestion. A happy gut contributes to overall health, and salads bring joy to your gut. The dietary fiber in salads aids digestion, promoting regular bowel movements. By maintaining a healthy gut microbiome, salads support a robust digestive system. In summary, salads are not just a side dish or an afterthought. They are nutrient-dense powerhouses that aid in weight management, hydrate the body, and promote digestive health. Eating salads isn't just about maintaining a diet, it's about making a lifestyle choice. A choice that leads to a healthier, happier you. Remember, good health and great taste can reside together, and they do so beautifully in a salad bowl.